Hi, my name is Ella Fosini and welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, you're warmly welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some of my must-have apps. If you're a content creator, if you're just someone who loves using your phone a lot to do stuff, or you're just a social media person, this is for you. So let's get straight into the video. I know there are tons of apps out there. There are so many apps for grades, for editing, for videoing. Some you have to pay and some are free. As a Christian, I know the importance on having one-on-one conversation with God, having that relationship with God, and also availing yourself for Him to work through you. So the first app I'm going to talk about is the Bible apps. I love to refer to Bible quotations, chapters, verses from the Bible, especially if I have concerns and if I need to refer to something to actually uplift myself, to build my faith, something to encourage me. The Bible is my go-to, so that's why it's the main app on my phone. Also, I decided to get a devotional. Devotional is a book which has uplifting words and Bible verses to help you throughout the day, throughout the week, and throughout the year. Now, my second app is Canva. I know everybody uses Canva. People use Canva for marketing. People use Canva for social media. People use Canva to sell. Canva, because it's easy to use, is readily accessible. There's a free portion where everyone can use with a lot of features which are already made. So you just have to change words, edit words, and put everything you need to put there. You don't have to do a lot of editing. You just take a frame or template you like, you work around it, and boom, you have a beautiful picture to post on any social media platform or to even sell with. The next app I'm going to share with you is Adobe Photoshop Express. I'm someone who loves editing. I love photography. I love arts in general. So photography being one of the things I love, after taking a shot, mostly the raw pictures aren't doing it for me. I need to tweak it a little bit. So this Photoshop Express helps me with my saturation, with my contrast, with my smoothness, with my clarity, with all the functions you can think of. You do not have to be into photography to actually use Adobe Photoshop Express. It's that easy. So I normally use the Adobe Photoshop Express in editing my pictures. If you are not into editing, fine, but if you love editing, I suggest you download the Adobe Photoshop Express and it will change your photo game from here to here. So Adobe Photoshop Express is basically for pictures. Now from pictures we go straight to videos, and my best video editing app so far is the InShot. It's one easy, simple, with all the basic features you would need in a video editing app. It's that simple, and I'm so grateful I upgraded to the professional ones. It's not that much, it's not expensive. I actually got a discount. I activated it when they were having discount, and it's quite an affordable app to have. If you have the free version, you can save your videos in 4K. You see those high resolutions people upload their videos in? Yes, you can upload your videos in 4K. And having that professional version gives you a lot of transition. But don't stress if you don't have money for the professional version. Just use the free version. It has enough transitions you can use. It has enough effects you can use. It has enough features you can use. It's just that simple, easy, and accessible, and they are all in Play Store or Apple Store. Now, my last and resourceful app every working individual need to have is the Adobe Fill and Sign. This is for filling digital forms. You can fill, you can sign, and you can resend. Do you remember the days when if someone sends you a form, you have to fill in with pen, sign, scan, and resend? No, this one you don't have to do that. You just upload the form on the app, you fill in all the spaces, you append your signature, you save, and you send. It is that easy. These are the must-have apps I believe everyone is supposed to have on their phones to make their life quite easy and to take their social media game to a top notch, to change their editing game, and also with easy access to filling documents. I hope this video is educative enough and you're convinced to actually try these apps. If you have other apps you've been using, believe it will be of benefit to me, you can put them in the comment section below. I'll try them and I'll give you a feedback. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in my next video.